All right, so this next video is going to be the manual muscle test for Extensor Digitorum Longus. So a muscle that originating in the leg, and it inserts into the dorsal digital expansion of digits 2 through 5, going all the way out to the distal phalanxes. So for this, it's going to be a little bit challenging, but what we're going to ask is if Adam can extend his toes. Good. The second action is going to be dorsiflexion, and then it does eversion. Okay, so let's do that one more time. Extension of toes, 2 to 5, dorsiflexion, and eversion. Excellent. Now, again, the muscle is digitorum longus, so my resistance is primarily going to be to the digits and not necessarily the ankle, but I am going to bring him part way up into dorsiflexion, a little bit of eversion. Then I'm going to place my fingers along the middle and distal phalanx of digits 2 through 5 and pull down on them, so resisting extension here. 3, 2, and 1, so a full 5-second count. Now, starting with the ankle in a neutral position, I'm going to push on his toes. Again, you might overpower the toes a little bit, just be careful of that, and allow them to bring their toes into extension, dorsiflexion, and eversion. So for the length, I'm going to have to curl all 4 of these toes in, so toes 2 through 5. So you might change your hand position a little bit, so I could sit here. I'm going to curl them all in at all of their joints. Then the next thing I'm going to do is plantar flex and then invert the foot. And as you can see, I've left his big toe out of this. So there's the length position for Extensor Digitorum Longus.